Hello everyone, welcome back to Mihitha Academy. So as part of this episode, we'll understand how can we solve a pair of equation using a method of substitution. So you all know and worked on different kind of equation in mathematics. However, you might have heard a method of substitution, meaning there are two equation given to you at the same time. Those two equation will have two variables with it along with one constant value. So you wanted to identify the variable value using a method of substitution. Come on guys, let us start today's session. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe so that it will motivate us to create more and more useful content like this. Come on guys, let us start today's session. So let us understand the overview of this particular concept, method of substitution. So assume that you have a particular equation given to you. The equations are, for example, 3y plus 4x is equal to 4, and maybe 5y plus 10x is equal to 8, something like this. So here we have to find out what is the value of y is equal to what, and what is the value of x is equal to what. So here what we have to do, we have to take the first equation as first equation and the second one as second equation. Now here we have to find out either value of y or x, and then once we find out the value of y or x, we have to pass that value to one of these equation, the second equation, and get the other value. Okay, so now let us see few example how can we derive the value of the same, so that you will have complete clarity. So here we have an example, solve the following equation using a method of substitution. Very important. Okay, so there are two equation given by SAP. 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Let us call this as equation 1, and we also have another example, x minus y is equal to minus 1. We will call this as 2. From 2, right, from equation 2, let us take this equation, x minus y is equal to minus 1. Can we call this x is equal to minus 1 plus y, because we are moving this y to the right hand side, minus y become plus y. So we have got value of x. Now what we have to do, we have taken equation 2 to derive the value of this x. Now let us substitute this value of x, whatever we have derived or defined over here, right, to y. Okay, so to equation 1. So substitute x to equation 1. Okay, so now the equation 1 is 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1, correct? 3 into minus 1 plus y minus 5y, because instead of x we are assigning this value, right, is equal to minus 1. So now minus 3 plus 3y, correct, minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Now minus here 3y, right? Yeah. So minus 3 will move to the right hand side. What will happen? Minus 1 plus 3, this will become plus 3, and minus 5y and plus 3y, it will become minus 2y, correct? So this has moved to the right hand side. Now minus 2y is equal to 2, and y is equal to 2 divided by minus 2, it will become minus 1. So what we have got here, y is equal to minus 1. Clear guys? So now we have found out the value of y. Let us find out the value of x. So now substitute value of y is equal to minus 1 to maybe any equation, for example equation 2. Okay, so now x minus y is equal to minus 1, correct? So value of x is equal to minus 1 plus y it will become. So x is equal to minus 1 and minus 1. X value would be equal to minus 2. Clear, guys? This is how you will find out the value of x and y. Now if you want to cross validate or verify any equation, so take an example of this. X minus y is equal to minus 1, correct? X value is minus 2 minus y value is what? Minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So minus 2 minus plus 1 is equal to 1. See, what is the LHS value? Minus 1 is equal to minus 1. LHS is equal to RHS. Clear, guys? This is what is all about substitution, and this is how we will find out the value of two different unknown variable when a two equation has been given to us using a method of substitution. So let us consider another example. 7x plus 2y is equal to 47 and 5x minus 4y is equal to 1. So we can call these two formulas as equation 1 and equation 2, correct? So now consider equation 2. So now what we can call this as 5x is equal to 1. The minus 4y become plus 4y, correct? And x is equal to 1 plus 4y divided by 5, correct? So we found out the value of x. Now substitute value of x to equation 1. Okay, so now 7 into, instead of x what we have to substitute? 1 plus 4y divided by 5 and plus 2y, this example, right, is equal to 47. So now if you want to remove the denominator, you will have to multiply the entire equation with 5, correct? So that what will happen? 47 into 5, 2 5s are 10y plus the denominator will be removed. So 7 plus 7 4s are 30, 28y. Okay, so now 28y minus plus 10y is equal to 38y, and 47 into 5 it would be 235 you can multiply, simple multiplication, minus 7. Okay, 38y, y is equal to, if you subtract this with this, what will happen? It would be 228 and this 38 will go to denominator 38. You can do the simple division. So you can start with 2 if you want to go with 2. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are, and then 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are, and if you take 19, 19 1s are 19 and 19 6 are 114. The answer of y is equal to 114. So now we got y is equal to 6. Sorry, y is equal to 6. We derive the value of 6. Now you can assign or substitute this value of y to any of these equation whichever you feel very simple. So let us take equation 2. Substitute y is equal to 6 in equation 2. So what is equation? 5x minus 4y is equal to 1. So 5x is equal to 1 plus 4y. So what is 1 plus 4 into 6? So 1 plus 24, correct? So 5x is equal to, so x is equal to what? 25. Summation of this is 25 divided by 5. So x is equal to what? 5. So we have successfully derived the value of y is equal to 6 and x is equal to 5. If you want to just assign this back here, this equation will be holds good, or this equation will satisfy, meaning LHS would be equal to RHS. So This is how you'll be able to find out the value of a unknown variables using a method of substitution. Let us take one more complex example if you wish to have a look at it. That complex example would be 4x divided by x plus 5y is equal to 7 and 3x by x 3 by x plus 4y is equal to 5. Let us call this as equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so now substituting value of y. So what we can do now, let us take a formula. Equation 1, consider equation 1. From the equation 1, what we will do, let us find out the value of y. So 5y is equal to 7 minus 4 by x. Correct. This is what the value of y would be. So we can 5y. So what we can do, we can move this 5 to denominator, then we can call this as 7 minus 4 by x. So the value of y would be this. Now let us substitute value of y to equation 2. Y to equation 2. Okay. So now what it will become, guys? 3 divided by x. I am considering equation x. Now instead of y, we will be populating this. 4 into 1 by 5, this value, into 7 minus 4 by x. Correct. Equal to 5. We are substituting the value of y in the equation 2. So now what it will be? 3 divided by x plus, so this would be 7 for the 28, 28 divided by 5, and this would be 4 for the 16, 16 divided by 5x, okay, is equal to 5. Now we will have to solve this. Now 3x, 15x. If you have to solve this, what you will have to do? So 3 divided by x minus 16 divided by 5x is equal to 5. Move this 28 to the right hand side. 28 divided by 5. Since it was positive, this value was positive, it become negative. Now if you have to derive the value, minus, so this would be 5x would be the denominator, meaning if you have to multiply this entire series by 5, something like that. So 5x, 3 into 5x, it would be 3 5 is a 15 plus 15 minus 16 is equal to 5 5 is a 25 minus 28 divided by 5. So now minus 1 divided by 5x is equal to minus 3 by 5. 5 you can cancel it and you can multiply, move this. X is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 3. X value would be equal to 1 divided by 3. Okay. X value is equal to 1 by 3. Now we will have to take this x value and assign in or substitute in one of these equation. So now let us substitute x in equation 1. The equation 1 is what? This equation. Okay. This one. 4 divided by 1 divided by 3 plus 5y is equal to 7. So this 3 will go above. 4 3s are 12 plus 5y is equal to 7. So what it will become, 5y is equal to 7 minus 12. 7 minus 12 is equal to minus 5. Now 5y is equal to minus 5 and y value is equal to minus 5 divided by 5 would be y is equal to minus 1. So the value of x is equal to 1 by 3 and y value is equal to minus 1. So this is how you can calculate or find out the value of unknown variable in a given equation or given pair of equation using a method of substitution. Hopefully you guys have understood this particular example. In the upcoming days we'll see more complex scenario, maybe using a method of substitution or even method of elimination. How can we solve the complex problem? Hope you guys like this video, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also share our channel information or this video information with your friends and even your kids, if at all you are a parent and watching this video, so that your kids and their friends will get benefited. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much and have a good one. Also please let me know in the comment section of this video which particular topic video you're looking for in upcoming days, so that we can prepare the video related to the same and upload in our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, and thanks for tuning into our channel. Have a good one. Bye bye. Hope you like this video. To support us and our effort, you can scan this QR code and make a donation. Thank you.